How are you both?
We're doing great, both. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great too. Thanks for asking. Nice to see both of you again.
It's
Yes.
also nice to see.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So,
As we are meeting first time, so please introduce yourself first.
okay, do you know my name is Hema?
Yes, we know.
Oh, that's great. So my name is Hema. I was born and raised in India, Delhi. Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand. However, I have been living in Australia for the past last 16 years. And by profession, I'm a teacher. And I have done my post graduation in Hindi honors in India. And after getting married, I came to Australia. Here, I have completed my bachelor of education. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher here. Besides, I have a channel on YouTube, which is the art of speaking English. And moreover, I am an English trainer on one of the international platforms called Preply. And that is a brief introduction of mine.
Okay. Now we will introduce ourselves. First, I will introduce myself. Thank you
Okay.
very much for giving me an opportunity to tell about myself. My name is Maliha binte Masood. I study in class 7 recently. And if I tell about my family, there are 4 members in my family. They are my parents, my brother, and me. And if I tell about my parents both are educated person. They are very good person, and both are teacher. My father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. And if I tell about my brother, as you can see, and we are siblings as well as we are twins. And my brother also studies in class 7. And I am
Oh,
from Bangladesh, and I think this is about myself.
yeah, great
Now,
to know about yourself.
himself.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. So first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood, as you know, and we both are from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. You know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know Bangladesh. Yes. I have
Yes.
couple of friends here. They are from Bangladesh.
Okay, that's great.
Couple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have some of the
Okay.
fam. Yeah.
And this is my sister. We are siblings, and as well as we are twins, baby. We study in class 7. I think that's it.
Okay. Thank you for giving your nice introduction. It's really nice to hear both of about you. And now I got some idea about you. And that is good. You are in class 7 and you have been putting your time and effort learning these languages and this language, sorry, not languages. I think you know Bangladesh, your own language too, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
So how many languages you know?
We know only 2 languages, but at this time we will use every single day one language, that is English.
English. Wow, that is great. Good to see your enthusiasm and determination.
How many languages can you speak in?
I can speak Hindi, I can speak Punjabi, I can speak English. Yeah, and I can understand couple of other languages, but I'm not able to say. I know I'm not able to speak that language.
Which one is your favorite language?
English actually. Yes.
Okay.
What about
We,
you? What about you? Do you like English too?
Yes, we
yes,
like
we
it very
like.
much. This is why we are
Oh,
learning.
okay, that is good. So as I know, Ramadan is going on. So have you been taking fast?
Yes,
Yes,
we
we
have
have
been
been
taking
taking
fast.
fast.
Okay, how is going?
Yes, it's going very good. Also, some we
Very
are.
good. I was thinking you would say, oh, it's going very terrible and we have to take fast. It's very hard to control our appetite.
Yes.
Okay, that is great. You are taking fast and you are very determined, and that way you can control your mind. You're following your own culture, and you should give respect to your culture as well. That's great.
We are
So, do
so
you,
interested to know about your country, Australia.
Oh, my country is very beautiful. It's very luxurious here. Places are very nice, hygiene and clean. People, they are very nice and supportive. And also here we get lots of opportunity to learn and develop. Education system is very nice. And here we get lots of opportunity to learn and develop. Government provides lots of facilities to its citizens. So I'm taking advantage of that. And moreover, I would say, if somebody wants to, learn and develop, this is the place they can, come here and they can learn and they can develop and they can upgrade their skills.
How many populations are there in your country?
Oh, population is very low actually here because this Australia is a very big country and population is really, really low.
Yes, I
Oh,
also know.
You know that? Okay. What about Bangladesh?
Yes, Bangladesh is opposite of your country. It is very small, but it has a large population.
Yes, in India it happens similar too. India population is very high,
Yes, I
yes,
know.
we had this.
India has most populous country in the world.
populated country in the world. Yeah, that's true. It is. When you grow up, what would you like to be? Do you want to be a doctor or
I
police?
yes, as you know, I want to be an engineer in future. Also, I want to go to abroad for studying.
Okay, that's great. Which country you would like to go?
Actually, I haven't decided it, but I will
Yes.
decide very soon.
Okay, that's great. What about your sister? Are you gonna leave your sister behind?
Yes, I'll tell you that my future plan is like my brother. I want to go to abroad for my study. Also, I will study in a medical university as well as I will become a doctor.
Okay, that is great. Why do you wanna become a doctor?
Because
And
there are a number of reasons behind it, but I'll tell you some reasons. It's a novel profession at my in my country, and I have very like this profession, and I think that this is the reason so why I like this profession.
okay. That is great. So your brother wants to be an engineer and you wanna be a doctor. That's a
Yes,
good combination. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So any other question would you like to ask?
sure. How many members are there in your family?
So there are four members in my family, me, my husband, and my two children. So would you like to say something about your country, about Bangladesh?
Definitely, as you know, the name of my country is Bangladesh. So, as I told you that it is a small, actually it's a small country, but it has a large population. That's true. Who actually, there are actually 200 million plus people live in my country, Bangladesh. As you know, it is an independent country. It got independence in 1971 from Pakistan, and
Okay.
there are so many beautiful places you can visit. First, I will tell you Cox's Bazar because it is the largest sea beach in the world. Not only actually native people go there, but also foreign people go there to see, to feel the environment of that place. And you know, I also
Hmm.
have a future plan to go there.
Okay. That is great. So you have your already future plan. And how old are you?
We are 12 years old.
And you already make your future plan. That's really great. Your
Yes,
okay, that is good. Your future plan is already there, so you know what you're going to do in future, so you can work towards your goal. Yes.
yes.
Okay. So any other question would you like to ask?
Okay, so you can speak in English. So when have you started your English journey?
I have started my English journey since my childhood when I was in India, but I was, learning English over there as a subject. But after getting married, my husband he said he wanted to come Australia, and he told me that you have to give one of the IELTS exam, international test English testing exam. So I was very surprised because I have done my post graduation in Hindi honors, but I had to do somehow. I passed that exam, and after coming here I have done couple of courses, I have done study, and through that I got opportunity to learn this language.
Okay, so do you feel hot or cold?
Hot or cold means it is autumn time here, so it is okay. All right, now what about in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh, actually, to be honest, the climate is changing suddenly. Sometimes we feel very cold and sometimes we feel very hot. Right now, I'm feeling very
Is
hot.
it so? Is it winter time or summer time over there?
This is springtime, middle point.
Springtime. Okay, similar to India. Yeah. What is the time there at this moment?
Yeah, time 6, exact 6 o'clock, 6 p.m.
6 o'clock.
And
And
Okay,
your
so you know what is it would be more than, yeah, it is 11 o'clock. 11 p.m.
11.
11 p.m. Yeah, I'm getting late for my bed, sleeping.
I want to know one thing from you that how many seasons are there in your country, Australia?
Okay. Yeah, we got similar. We got four seasons like autumn, we got spring, we got winter, and we got summer. I think
And
all over the world, there's four season, I would say. Yeah.
Okay.
and our season is six.
You got six season. Oh, that's really good. I think in India we got six season as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you are right.
I want to know
Okay.
that as your mother tongue is other language, so how have you learned this language?
English language.
Yes, English language.
So while I was learning this language, I put my time and efforts like you are putting right now. So I was listening to English content, and I was engaging myself in English environment. Even though there was no English environment, I was creating artificial English environment by myself, and I was thinking everything in English. Because usually what we do, if we think in our own language when we speak in English, happen, we get stuck, because then we translate all the things in our mind. Okay, we what we're going to say. So but if we already thinking in English, it helps us to speak in English well. So I was doing that. I was also engaging writing, reading, and speaking in English. So that helps me a lot, and that way I learned this language.
Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me or my sister.
So how you have been learning this language?
Actually, we have been learning this language 9 or 10 months, and first time when we didn't start our journey, in that time our father inspired us to learn this language and for creating our YouTube channel. And first we our fortune was very great because one tutor or actually K used to come also coming present in our house to teach us English. And also I watched so many videos in English on YouTube, English lecture. So I think through this actually processing, I have learned so many things about English. And also my actually I was getting benefit from one way, that is I have one partner, my sister, so we can actually make conversation
Yes,
anytime. We can speak in English anytime. I'm from a village, so that's really
yes.
great for us. So I think like this way, I have been learning English.
You are using right method, and as you said, you have a partner, your sister. She is there, and she has been helping you, and you are helping your sister as well learning this language. That is very commendable, and I would say you are very fortunate. You having siblings like you are together
Yes,
and helping each others. Yeah.
very great that we can speak English both and
You
it's
can
very
both speak in English and you get opportunity to correct each other, that is very good. And usually people they complain they don't have any partner to speak with at home and they don't have English environment, but you are very fortunate because you both are in same class, you are in class 7 and you are same age as well, so you can understand each other mentality very well and you are able to teach each other too as well. So that is great. Wherever you go together, and whenever you go out, you can speak in English. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you
yes.
are.
What's your hobby?
My hobby actually, I used to like dancing, singing. I still do like that, but these days my hobby is to teach other people English and connect with them. So this is my passion. Teaching is my passion, and I'm doing that because I'm working as a teacher. So during my 5 days time I just go to the school and I teach my children over there, and when I come back here I get opportunity to teach other through online. I take online classes, so that is very good. I'm just engaging myself, teaching other and learning from them. So this is my hobby these days. I have no extra time to do some extra curriculum or other activities. That is
So
big
this
enough,
is
yeah.
your
Having
income.
a YouTube channel and maintaining YouTube channel and talking to the people and interact with them, learn from them, know about other people culture and tell them about my culture and my views. That is so good. Look, you are in Bangladesh and I'm sitting in Australia and still we are connected to each other. Now you know there is a Hema in Australia and I know there are two beautiful children in Bangladesh. So
Yes.
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. So
So,
I think
ma'am,
any other question because time is going over and now I think I must go to
Don't
my
have any.
bed. Huh?
we don't have any question. We can finish this conversation for today.
Okay, then maybe we connect again in future, yeah? Because you are
Oh,
two
Okay.
beautiful children, I would like to connect with you again.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Take
Have a good day.
care.
Bye.
See ya.
Good night.
Good night.